Here's the 2023 General Electric 5000 BTU window air conditioner. This air conditioner is not running also. Here's the compressor. Here's the motor. It says Wallong fan motor. I never heard Wallong. Yeah, yeah, that's pretty different. And this is the Quagan water compressor. And this is outdoor too, by the way. It looks pretty new though. So my uncle have this air conditioner for like maybe like 12 days, and it's look the same. I mean, except for this coil, uh, it looks like it's already smushed all up, and that over there too. I mean, it looks to be good shape though, but it doesn't sound bad. I mean, no, I mean, it doesn't look that bad. And here's the drain hole. They already took off the drain plug off of it, so the water can go away. So yeah, thank you for watching. Out.